Alright, today's notes are for section 10.2, diagonals and angle measures for polygons. Our first definition here is our sum of interior angles of a polygon. We have a nice formula for you. That would be n minus 2 times 180, and n stands for the number of sides in the polygon. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to substitute that n value in when we're solving and get our answer here. Okay, first example, find the sum of the interior angles of an octagon. First thing we need to recognize is that an octagon has 8 sides. So we're going to use our formula, 8 minus 2 times 180. It's a terrible 8. Here we go, so 6 times 180, and that answer is 1080 degrees. So all the angles of the octagon add up to 180 degrees. Think back to our triangles. The interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. All right, second example here, talking about a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. So 5 minus 2 times 180, 3 times 180 gets me to 540 degrees for that pentagon interior angles. Alright, an example here. Landscapers often need to know their interior angle measures of a polygon in order to correctly cut wooden borders for their garden. On the right here we have a regular hexagon. So hexagon, oops, sorry about that. Hexagon has 6 sides. If you're not sure, you can go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So find the measure of one interior angle of this. Another key word we need to look at here is that it's a regular. Thinking back to a regular polygon, all of the angles are congruent. Oops, we don't want that. I want the pen back. This means angles are congruent. Okay, so first let's find the measure of all of the angles. So we're going to use our formula, n minus 2 times 180. So we're going to say 6 minus 2 times 180. This is 4 times 180. So all of the angles in the hexagon add up to 720. Let's move this here. Oops. Let's put this over here. So 720. Now we have to find the measure of one of those angles. So we're going to take that 720 and divide by the number of angles in that regular hexagon. And we've got 120 degrees for each angle. Formula to kind of know if we have a regular pentagon, regular polygon. For one angle, it's going to use the formula n minus 2 times 180 divided by that n, so that number of sides. So just a little shortcut. I like to do it in 2 parts anyway. Do that. Alright, moving down here, find the measure of the sum of the interior angles of the figure on the right. So first thing we're going to do is count our sides. So I see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So I've got an 8 sides. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that into my formula here. So n is equal to 8. So 8 minus 2 times 180. 6 times 180. That's equal to 1080 degrees there. Now we're going to find the measure of one interior angle here. Oops. Highlight that. So we just want one interior angle here. So if it was regular, we would have to know that it was regular. We would take that 1080 divided by 8, because there's 8 sides, and that would be 135 degrees. Again, that has to be regular. Figure has to be regular in order for that to work. All right. Next definition we have is the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degrees. Okay, so first example, find the sum of the measures of the interior and exterior angles of a nonagon. So a nonagon has 9 sides. So the exterior angles is pretty quick. Again, we just learned that's equal to 360 degrees for any polygon. The interior angles, then, we're going to go ahead and use our n minus 2 times 180 here. So spread that out a little bit. So I've got 9 minus 2 times 180, which is 7 times 180, which is equal to 1,260. So this is my interior. All right, find the measure of one exterior angle of a regular hexagon, or heptagon, sorry, heptagon here. So again, a heptagon has 7 sides, so n is equal to 7. So a regular heptagon, and we're talking about the exterior angles here. Oops, I don't want to highlight that. Exterior angle. So again, what we just learned is that the sum of all the exterior angles is 360. We're going to divide that by n. So 360 divided by 7 is equal to 51.43. All right, that should be the end of our notes here. First homework assignment then. Oops, I don't want that. First homework assignment for you is that practice worksheet 10.2.